Hey guys, Chung here. In this video, we're gonna show you where you can get a free transition sound effect. So if you have a YouTube account, log into it, go to your dashboard, and then on the left hand side, go to the audio library. Here we have free music first. So here you can get all kinds of free music for your videos, as nowadays a lot of very new music that is really good. And now we go next to free music. We see here is sound effects. Click on it and we have tons of sound effects, a lot of very useful sound effects if you're doing a short film or have like some Foley sound that you need. But we're going to search for a sound effect that is very useful for transitions, and that is the swoosh. So we type in SWOOSH and then enter. So the two sound effects that we find that is the most useful is the swoosh here. So that is a very good sound effect for transition, but other one or a much quicker transition we can use like punch swoosh. So these punch swooshes can also be used for a transition that is very fast. However, of course, inside of your edit, you can also slow down this sound effect. So it's a little bit slower for your effect that is a little bit slower. So those two are the sound effects that you can use for free, and you can easily download it from the YouTube library. Hope you found this a very useful video if you've been searching for the transition sound effect. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button here below, and comment in the comment section here below if there's something else you would like to see on my channel. And if you want to see more videos, there'll be videos popping up right now that you can click on, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.